Hey, welcome back to Vlogmas. Just come along and clean my kitchen with me so I can cook dinner, and I'll show you guys what I'm cooking in the next video. Make sure your notification bell is checked so you'll get notified when I post another video. Again, I'm trying to make it to 500 subscribers by the end of December. So if you please subscribe, comment, and like my videos, I would greatly appreciate it. And remember, we had a deal, right? We had a deal that if I am consistent enough, if I am consistent with 10 videos back to back to back, even though I'm doing Vlogmas, but when I get to 10 videos, you guys will share my videos to at least one person. So make sure that you are subscribed and share my videos, comment, and yeah, have your notification bell on, your notification on. And I know you guys are tired of seeing my hair just all over the place. I should have already posted a video of me prepping my hair for braiding, and that's why it's like this. Okay, so let's go ahead and clean my kitchen. I loaded the dishwasher, so now I'm just gonna wash my silverware and my pots. Am I the only one that washes their silverware by hand? Well, hear me out. The silverware that I have is a little sensitive, so when I leave them in the dishwasher, if I don't take them out right away, as soon as they're done, they're dry, it starts to rust up. And I don't want that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wash them by hand. And of course, my pots and pans. Towel. I don't know, for some reason I have to clean my sink before I start washing dishes. I don't know. I don't know what it is. And before and after, I don't know. And that's why my towels fade, my dish towels fade, because I use bleach. So let's get some washing. I'm not gonna wash this like in the sink because it's an iron skillet, so I'm not pre-seasoned, but I'm gonna season it again, so I'm not gonna wash it in the thing, in the water. Go ahead and continue to wash the silverware in this one pot right here. And after I'm done with this, I'm gonna cook. Turn on your notification bell so you can be notified when I upload for that video. Water is so hot. Let me make some water. Well, I'm not gonna make any water. I'm just use this pot to rinse the silverware. Y'all have a good night.